Yo, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. You guys from the vibes. We outside. Today is Saturday and we outside doing some deliveries. You know, why not? Because it's a beautiful day. The skies are blue, and according to the weather reporter, it's gonna rain at like 3 o'clock, so I'm not sure. So hopefully it doesn't rain. Anyways, what's up, y'all? So I hope everyone's doing good. You know, like you guys been killing me on the videos, and you guys been asking a lot of questions in the videos about if you guys could, like, you know, before I get into it, I just want to start off by saying, you know, I woke up today in a good mood, and you know, I'm just happy because, you know, like, I'm doing what I love to do, and you know, it's amazing that, you know, you get to do what you love to do, and that's what you gotta do. You know, you gotta just chase your dreams and don't listen to people that are not good for you, you know, that bring you down. You need people around you who are going to support you and, you know, just support you and be there, you know, like, not only that, but just, you just gotta, like, chase you and do you, pretty much. So yeah, I'm just in a good mood today, so let's see how today goes. Hopefully it turns out to be good. I'm gonna show you guys my bike because you guys been asking to show you guys, like, my bike, like, part by part. So I'm gonna show you guys right now the bike. So here it is. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the bike that I'm running right now. It's a size 56 Pinarello Pista. Got the ambience with the Sugino Zenchen 49T with the red bolts, which makes it pop out more for details, you know what I mean? Like a little swag. Got the carbon wheels, head, front and back with the Gator Skins Black Edition. Super nice. And I got the regular Gator Skin, super dope. Got the Look pedals, Look cute classic pedals, nice pedals. I like these. I got road shoes, so that's why. I used to rock SPDs, but after so many times, like, my feet would come off the pedal, so that's not good because you don't want that. So I switched to road, which is good, much better. So yeah, this is the whole bike. Got the Thompson C-Pose 31.8, super nice, like it. Got the power saddle, Specialized, nice saddle. Recommend getting this saddle, size 143, power saddle. Got the Chanelli stamp or cockpit, whatever you guys want to say. Pinarello headset, might have to replace. I'm gonna replace that very soon. Pinarello for carbon, aluminum frame, carbon for it. Got these nice zero tolerance construction risers, 780. They look wide as fuck on the camera. They're actually wide. I want to get like 800s, but I think 800s are too much. But I mean, I'm not able to get my hands on one of those. So if I do, I'm rocking them. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head back to the shop, pick up more orders, and walk you throughout the whole day and see how it goes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Dropping off second order of the day. Pretty nice out. Well, it's not raining hard right now. Hopefully it doesn't rain hard, but right now it's drizzling, and we're heading back to the shop to pick up more orders. About to go on break, so I'm gonna go to lunch, grab some food, maybe go to the Yaya tea store and get some rice bowls, because that shit hits the spot. It's a Japanese thing, so, or maybe I'll probably get sticky, so who knows. But anyways, I'm gonna strap you guys on and enjoy the ride. Feel me? Can I get 2 shrimp tempuras, large, and I'll get also make it I love ya. I love ya, yeah. Large.
Any toppings?
I'll get the mango pop.
Anything else?
That's it.
So 2 shrimp for large I love Yaya pop mango.
Yeah. Hi guys, just copped some food. I went to Yaya Tea, so shout out to Yaya Tea. Got myself 2 shrimp tempuras, rice bowl. This shit is fire. Large, look at this. Damn, this is about to slap. I'm outside, you know, it's raining. It sucks. Temperature been effed up this past couple of days. But it's because it's hot, you know. But yeah, look at this, guys. Banging. And I also know that they make like milk tea and stuff like that. I've never tried the milk tea. I've tried like fruits and stuff like that. This has passion fruit, by the way, so banging. Hello. 10 states.
Yes. Can you go this way? Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Shout out to this customer. Just tip me. Well, the order is 23. So I'm getting $7 back. Next drop off. Alright guys, this is dropping off the fourth order for this. I didn't record it some orders, so right now we're about to head to 10 Barclay Street and continue along with the day. So I'm gonna strap you guys on and let's ride.